Hello YouTube world, how is everybody doing today? Well, this video is about a GTR R35 getting a muffler delete. Reason why I would do this is because I don't believe, spending $5,000 on mufflers and all that. I mean, I'd rather spend that money on other parts like, getting tuning, software, probably cob, intakes, fuel system, other things like that, maybe set of wheels. So, yeah, just pretty much you cut your mufflers off and weld in a little bit bigger pipe back there. And that's pretty much it. This car has a mid pipe, and that's it. The other thing I need to do is down pipes sometime. But that's pretty much it on this right now. But there is a sound difference, and I noticed a little bit. I think a little bit of power. I don't know for sure, but I mean it's not really much. But yeah, and I should be putting out a workout video hopefully tonight. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do yet. Maybe legs or something. So yeah, just comment, like, and subscribe, and enjoy. Later. And the end verdict. I'll grab it a couple times, just point it down. Oh, okay.
Turbo spool now.
That's the end verdict. Sounds pretty good. Muffler delete. GTR R35.